Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart cast iron cooktop. So let me just take this off so you can see something. This is the cast iron heating element. The element is underneath. It's really sturdy. And it's really great too, because if you happen to be a little, spill things a little bit here and there, it won't get down into the coil. So this part is brushed stainless. This is black accent. It's really simple and easy to use. It has 5 settings: off, minimum, and then all the way up to 5. So you might use minimum, let's say if you're trying to heat up some chocolate or keep something warm on the cooktop. The really nice thing about these cooktops, they're 1,300 watts. They are really great to have around for an extra burner when you're entertaining or you're having, friends and family over. It's also great for things like when you have like an RV and you need a little extra cooking surface. It's perfect for that. So there you have it, the Cuisinart cast iron cooktop.